Welcome to a new video. This is a brand new video because I felt like it and I was bored, so I decided to make this video. So today I'm going to show you how to get this car and this car, which I have not actually got yet, which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to use this car and I'm going to show you guys how to get these cars, okay? Make sure to be really careful using these directions because you might get messed up and then screw the whole thing up. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to get this one. Alright, first you get the car ready. And then you go over here and you press airport. Alright, now what you do is you follow the directions.
After a while, turn left.
Shut up, you stupid Google whatever you are. I'm trying to talk. So you follow the directions of what the robot's saying, or the guide was saying. I don't know what it is. Follow it.
Go straight until the next right.
Up, okay. If you're driving in real life, don't do this, and you probably get arrested.
After a while, turn left. Turn right after a while. There is a speed bump on the front. End of route guide.
Alright, now you look at a plane that's about to take off, alright? And then you quickly put your car right here. Now you get on top of your car, get on top. Then you jump on the plane. You get on the plane. No, get on the plane. Get on the plane. Gotta get on the plane. And if you look on the wing, you see that there is a present. Yeah, it has to be on your right wing. Your right. Alright, so look at your right hand and make sure you know your left and rights. So if you look on your right of the plane's wing, you will see it has a present. And if you touch that present, it will reward you this car. So if you touch that present, you will automatically be rewarded this car. Now I will show you how to get the Ferrari. Hopefully I can be able to post this video, so let's hurry up and get this over with. This time you press mountain path.
Start route guidance.
Shut up. Shut up, guided response or whatever you are.
Turn right after a while. bump on the front end of route guide.
Cheerleader effective power triangle.
Now if you look, you will see that you have a present. Now when you click this present, you will be rewarded the Ferrari LaFerrari. So if you have the car right here, if you have this car, you press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you are on this car, you click the left button 9 times and you will get the car. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I will show you how to get the Crystler, how do you say it? I don't know how to say it, but you know how to get it.
Start route guidance. After a while, turn left. Go straight until the next guide.
And you'll see this present right here. You touch it, and you unlock a brand new car, and that brand new car will be. You unlock this car if you get that present. See you guys in the next video. I will try and find out how to get this car and this car, because I don't know how to get them, and it would actually be pretty cool to get them. So I'll see you guys in another video, and bye.